Hey guys, remember how I said that I was going to draw Fennekin in the next episode? Well, guess what? I was telling the truth. As we all know, Fennekin is one of the starter Pokemon in Pokemon XY, and you can get her from one of the Kalos region trainers, Professor Sycamore. So, to draw her, you must always start with the eye. Always go for the eye, people. You know that. Okay, so, next up, you just draw her nose. Here's her other eye, right here. Okay, so that's the bottom of her face. Okay, so you just draw this part. There's her, that's her smile. Okay, so next up, you just draw her lower body. You just draw this part. Just draw her leg right here. These feathers on her thighs. Next up, you just draw her leg here. Next up, you draw her other thigh here. Next up, you just draw her tail. And believe me, her tail is really long. Fluffy, if you ask me. Next, you just draw her ear. Okay, so here's her ear. Okay, so here's her ear right here. Here's her ear. There we go. That's how you draw Fennekin. Yeah, sort of. Pretty nice, don't you think?